All right, so my hot air station came in the mail about a week ago, and I'm getting around to unpacking it, so I thought I would show everybody what I got. It is an Atten ST-862D hot air station. So we got a user manual here. And fortunately, I got this through the mail before any of the tariffs hit, so I'm not really sure what these are. And it looks like mains plug-in for the power hot air station. Grounding strap, that's kind of nice. Oh. What is this? Oh, that must be the rest for the hot air gun. Take that out of the package right away. Here's the beast. All right, pull this out. Oh, those must be nozzles for it. Okay. There we go. Doing this one-handed, so. Yeah. Nice. It's got a nice little control panel there. There's the stand. Oh, right. Probably goes like that, right? There we go. Just like that. Cool. And that's my new Atten hot air station.